before, after, before, after. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are taking out the badgeless grille in the W8 and putting in the stock OEM grille. And that's only because I really like the fact that it says W8. People look at it as a regular Passat, but they need to know. They need to know. Even though I like the fact that it's fun to gap people, I really like it personally. It's a nice grille. It gives me an option to wrap it into like a darker chrome or something later on. And who doesn't love a big old Volkswagen? It's not by any means it's not by any means a hard job to do. It just takes some time. I do not know how differently this is on the regular Passats, or if mine's missing parts somewhere and it's just simpler for me. But without further ado, let's jump in it and get the car prepped. So let's go. First step, hood latch. I have to say, these are still one of the coolest hood latches for me. Lift the hood up, pull, up it goes. But as I said, this is super simple. You got a T30 right here holding down to the bumper, and then you have a T30 here, and I believe there's a clip under here, and then it goes here, 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 up in here as well. Now the only difficult part is getting this handle out, because as you can see, right, I don't know if it'll focus, but it's that little joint right in there that's just holding this latch in. Once that lets go, if we look at the OEM grille here, as I said, sorry, you have the clip here, a clip here, and a clip here, and then it's the same thing. You just got the little clip here. Pretty simple. 2 T30s at the top. Realistically, this should be like a 5-10 minute job to do. To help pry it up, all you need is like some kind of trim tool, or in my case, I'm just gonna use a trusty flathead screwdriver. And I just want to throw out that thanks, Dad, again for letting me keep one of your tools. Cheers. All jokes aside, let's jump straight into it. It's super easy. I'll walk through it and see where it goes. And then after that's done, this should come right out. Again, I'm gonna set that on the intake. Then I'm gonna take the grill and I'm just gonna ever so gently pop it out of its clips. You don't wanna put any strain on this too much, or it's just gonna crack. You just wanna gently pull it out. A trim tool is awesome here. I didn't need to use one, thank God. But that is it. It is completely out. And then the reinstallation part is pretty simple. All you have to do is take your So there we go, guys. The grill is installed. I'm actually super stoked. I really like the OEM look. And before, after. Before, after. Super freaking stoked to have the OEM grill back in. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I honestly love this grill a lot. As I said, I'm gonna probably wrap it into like a darker chrome just to kind of accent this green just a bit more. But if you guys need a grill, please let me know. There's contact information down in the description. I'll give this away for a steal if you really want it. I don't really need it. It's gonna probably just sit in the blue Passat, and that's probably gonna be the end of this grill. So if you guys need an extra grill, let me know in the comments down below. Send me an email, send me a message on Instagram, whatever. So stoked to have this OEM one back in. I love it. Now we just need to paint this because of that. Just ignore that. Just ignore it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps with your Passat. It's not a daunting job like on most cars. I understand that. I hope this honestly helps you and encourages you to do something with your grill. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Can't wait to jump more into this car and get some more detail work done. And I'm gonna do an update. Like, I did install the stereo, as you can see. That needs to be cleaned up. All the speakers and tweeters need to be replaced. I do have front tweeters that I can put in for the door. I just have to custom make them into the box. Other than that, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Best of all, if you haven't already, hit that bell notification to keep up to date on all future Valiant and W8 content to come. And remember, guys, I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Until then, Valiant out.